And we have a breaking news at this point in time. The Guwahati High Court has directed a Nagaland speaker to dispose the petition of Naga People's Front that it had filed before the speaker last year seeking disqualification of 7 of its MLA from the State Assembly. This was informed by NPF Secretary General Achumbe Bokikon, who was accompanied by party's lawyer Siddharth Borgohain. The court will again hear the matter on April 3rd. The NPF had filed a disqualification petition before the speaker last year against 7 of its MLAs for supporting the ruling NDPP during the Lok Sabha elections. So big breaking news at this point in time, viewers. The Guwahati High Court has directed Nagaland speaker to dispose the petition of Naga People's Front that it had filed before the speaker last year seeking disqualification of 7 of its MLAs from the State Assembly. And this was informed by NPF Secretary General Achumbe Bokikon, who was accompanied by the party's lawyer Siddharth Borgohain. And the court will again hear the matter on April 3rd, and the NPF had filed a disqualification petition before the speaker last year against 7 of its MLAs for supporting the ruling NDPP during the Lok Sabha elections.
Yes, the party has authorized the legislative wing to move the matter to the High Court, and rightly they have done so. The matter has been moved, and the High Court, the Honorable Single Learned Judge is pleased to issue an order, admit the petition in the first place, and he has issued an order that the Speaker has to decide the matter, and the very fact that the petition has been moved, it has been admitted by the High Court, itself has proven that the case is serious in nature, which needs immediate attention. The case is now listed on the 3rd of April, where the Speaker, if he doesn't act upon prior to that date, before the date, he has to appear before for this much long, and the pendency of the matter, which means to say that in a simple language, even if the case is pending in the High Court, that doesn't prevent the Speaker, or rather deter the Speaker in acting on the petition which is pending in his court. So therefore the Speaker has to decide whether it is for or against. It depends on the material, the facts available in his table, and the nature of the case. But the matter cannot be kept pending, without taking decision. Whether it is my party or it belongs to any other party, Speaker is expected to adjudicate, to execute his duties without any partisan, without any affiliating to his party, Mr. A, Mr. P. But unfortunately, not only in Nagaland, all over India, it happens that Speaker, inclined to that group, this group, more to do with the ruling party.
Keeping in the spirit of the Constitution of the NPF plus the Constitution of India, we filed a petition before the Speaker for disqualification of those 7 MLAs on 24th April 2019. From that very day till today, in numerous pretexts or grounds, the Speaker, Honorable Speaker, is delaying in adjudicating the disqualification petitions. It's very unfortunate to say that, but it is a common trend that is happening in the length and breadth of this country, be it in Jharkhand, be it in Assam, be it in anywhere. It has been delayed, and the last order which was being issued by the Honorable Speaker, which prompted us to come before this Honorable High Court, was that on 18 Feb there was an order issued where the Speaker asked the petitioners, that is your NPF candidate, NPF MLA, who has lost the disqualification petitions, asking them to file their issues for the adjudication. But it is to be taken note that we have already filed our issues to the Speaker for adjudicating the matter. Rather, it was the respondents, that is the 7 MLAs, they were supposed to file. So that order shows that there was total misapplication, non-application of mine. And the Speaker, under the Constitution of India, he holds a very high constitutional post. Once a particular person or MLA has been elected as a Speaker, he has to come beyond the party politics. But I fail to understand, in a very painful condition that is what the Speaker of Nagaland, Honorable Speaker of Nagaland is discharging, it's a very questionable.